Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
Let me tell you something most learners don't expect. You can know the vocabulary, understand basic grammar, even read full sentences, and still not be understood in European Portuguese. Not because you're wrong, but because your pronunciation sounds slightly off. And in European Portuguese, slightly off can make you sound completely different. Words get reduced, sounds disappear, syllables shrink, and suddenly what you thought you said isn't what people hear. So if you've ever felt like, I said it correctly, so why didn't they understand me? This video is for you, because today you're going to learn how to sound clear, natural, and confident from day one. No confusion, no unnecessary complexity. Just the core principles that actually make a difference. Let's begin. First, understand this. European Portuguese is not spoken the way it's written. At least, not exactly. Unlike Spanish, where most letters are clearly pronounced, European Portuguese compresses sounds. It reduces vowels. It blends syllables. It flows quickly. That's why it can sound like people are swallowing words. But they're not. They're just following natural speech patterns. Once you understand this, you stop trying to pronounce everything fully and start sounding more natural. Here's the rule that changes everything. Unstressed vowels get reduced. This is the key difference. For example, the letter E in many positions doesn't sound like e. It often becomes a soft, almost invisible sound, sometimes like Sometimes it nearly disappears. So instead of saying every vowel clearly, you relax them, you shorten them, you let them fade. That's what gives European Portuguese its rhythm. One of the most noticeable sounds is this. The letter S at the end of a word often sounds like sh. For example, português, português. This happens especially in European Portuguese. It's subtle, but extremely important, because if you pronounce it like a hard S, you'll sound more like Brazilian Portuguese. So listen carefully and soften that ending sound. Another key feature. Sometimes S between vowels sounds like j, like the sound in measure. For example, casa, casa. This gives Portuguese its smooth, flowing quality. It's not sharp. It's soft. So when you see S between vowels, think smooth, not sharp. Now let's talk about something unique, nasal sounds. Portuguese uses nasal vowels, sounds that resonate through your nose. Words like não, mãe, bom. These don't end with a strong consonant. Instead, the sound flows into the nose. To practice this, try humming slightly while saying the vowel. Not exaggerated, just enough to feel the vibration. This is one of the features that makes Portuguese sound distinct. And once you get it, your pronunciation improves instantly. The letter R can sound different depending on its position. At the beginning of a word, or double R, it sounds like a soft throat h. For example, rua sounds like hua. But in the middle of a word, it can sound softer, almost like a quick tap. The key is this: don't over-roll it. European Portuguese tends to be softer, more subtle, less exaggerated than Spanish.
Stress is critical.
Every word has a stressed syllable, and that's where the clarity comes from. If you stress the wrong part, the word may become hard to understand. So instead of focusing on every letter equally, focus on rhythm. Which part of the word stands out? Which part is stronger? That's where meaning becomes clear. Here's a mistake many learners make. They try to speak too early, without listening enough. But pronunciation is not just speaking, it's hearing. So spend time listening. Native speakers, slow audio, simple phrases. Repeat what you hear, not what you think it should sound like, but what it actually sounds like. This trains your ear and your mouth at the same time. Beginners often try to pronounce every letter clearly, but in European Portuguese, that can make you sound unnatural. Instead, relax. Let sounds blend. Let vowels reduce. Let the language flow. Clarity doesn't come from exaggeration, it comes from balance. Too sharp, and it sounds foreign. Too relaxed, and it becomes unclear. Find the middle. Here's the truth. You don't need perfect pronunciation. You need understandable pronunciation. And that comes from consistent practice, a little every day. Listening, repeating, adjusting, improving. Step by step. Don't rush. Don't expect instant perfection, because pronunciation is a skill. And like any skill, it develops over time. If you remember one thing, remember this. European Portuguese is about rhythm, reduction, and flow, not just individual sounds. At first, it may feel fast, unclear, even confusing. But with practice, your ear adapts, your mouth adjusts, and suddenly, it starts to make sense. So take it slow, listen carefully, speak clearly, and trust the process. Because from day one, you're already improving. And soon, you won't just speak Portuguese, you'll be understood.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.